Hello, welcome everyone. This is exercise 4.3, question number 1 4. Question is 3 equal to 2x plus y. This is a linear equation given. We have to draw the graph of this linear equation. First, you see, I have some changes. 3 minus 2x equal to y. So y can be written as 3 minus 2x. Now what we have done, you see, in place of x I have written 1. 1, so 2 1 is 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. So y is also 1. So now you put in place of x you put minus 1. So if you put here minus 1, minus a plus 2, and this is 3, plus 2 and 3 will be 5. So y becomes 5. So that's why I have written y equal to 5. And now you put x equal to 0. In place of this you write 0. 2 into 0 will be 0. So y equal to 3 minus 0. 3 minus 0 means 3. That's why I have written 3. So you have to make a box, actually these are the solution of the given equation. These are the answer of the given equation, okay. So if here if x is 1 then y is 1, x is minus 1 then y is 5, x is 0 then y is 3. Now you have to put this value in this graph paper, okay. It is a graph paper, actually not graph paper, I have make it a graph paper. If you want to do it in the graph paper, okay, you do it in the graph paper. So similarly you can consider each small square in the graph paper is 1 unit. Here I have considered this as 1 unit, okay. 1 centimeter equal to 1 unit, 1 millimeter, okay. So 1 becomes, you see, it is 1, it is 1, this is 1. This is 1 1. Always you remember, if the values of x is positive we have to move towards this direction, rightwards. And 1 means from origin we have to move one digit, and then y is 1 means positive direction, so in the upward you have to move another one small square. Then minus 1 5, you see minus 1 will be in this direction, negative direction, so it is negative direction. Minus 1, then 5 will be moved towards in the upward direction, here it will be 5. You count 1 2 3 4 5, you will get 1 2 3 4 5. You see 1 2 3 4 5. So this. Now 0 3, 0 means always here, and 3 means 1 2 3 is the value of y. So this is 0 3, this point is 0 3. So you see we have got these 3 points. Now you take a ruler, that is scale. With the help of this ruler you join all these points. That should be your graph, okay. So we have completed question number 4. Now question number 5. This is important question for your examination purpose. So I have written the question 2x plus 3y equal to c. This type of equation is called linear equation in two variable. Here the variables are x and y. So you do one thing, either x or y should be separate from here. I have written x separate, 2x equal to I have written 6 minus 3y. Therefore x can be written as 6 minus 3y by 2. Now in place of y you put your, this is not from any point of view, this is just imagination, you can consider any number, but always you consider smaller number, because you have to put this number here. If you take 15 it will not be position in that place. So I have considered a small number, that is 0. Here if you put 0 you will get 3 into 0 means 0. 6 minus 0 is 6. 6 by 2 is 3. So x becomes 3. That's why I have written x equal to 3. Now you see, I have considered x, y is equal to 2. Here I have written 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. And 0 by 2 is 0. That's why x becomes equal to 0 I have written. Then y is equal to 4 I have written. 3 4 is 12. 3 4 is 12. So 6 minus 12 is minus 6. Minus 6 by 2 is minus 3. So I have put it here. Now you have to put this value in this graph paper. So first one you see 3 0. This is called origin. 3 1 2 and 3. This is 3 0. Okay. Now 0 2. 0 means here. If the value of x is 0 means from this position you have to move towards direction y. How many small number? How many unit? 2 unit. So here you consider 2 unit. 1 2. Now minus 3 minus 4. Minus 3 means towards this direction. You see x dash I have written, this is due to negative value of x. So 1 2 and 3. So there is minus 3. 4 means 1 2 3 4. The point should be there. Okay. Now you see these 3 points. With the help of scale you join all these 3 points. Okay, so since we are doing it on by hand, so some problem should be there, but if you do it by using a scale, it will be all correct. Okay, this is AB, you write AB. So I have completed number 5. Now question number 6. Question number 6. Here I am writing the question number 6. Question is 3x minus y is equal to 7. So you do one thing, you do any one of them separate, either x or y. If I write y here, it will be easier. Now same equation you write in an arranged manner. Y I have written here 3x minus 7 in that right hand side. Now you make a table of this equation. Here you see, at least we have to be considered 3.3 values. So you write here x and y. You put the value of x is whatever you may, 1, suppose 1, then 3 into 1 will be 3, 3 minus 7 is minus 4. Minus 4 is the value of y. Now you consider x equal to 2. 3 to just 6, 6 minus 7 is minus 1. And if you consider here 3, so x equal to 3, 3 3 is 9, 9 minus 7 is 2 is the value of y. Okay, now you draw the graph. Suppose these are the two axes intersect each other at point x. This is x, this is x dash, this is y, and this is y dash. I have told intersect each other at point x. Not it is intersect each other at point O. Now 1 minus 4. 1 means you have to move towards positive direction of x-axis. So this is 1. Then minus 4 means in the downward direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose it is 4. Minus 4. Then 2 comma minus 1. 2 should be 1, 2 here. And minus 1 means in the negative direction. That is in the downward. Okay. Now what is this? 3 to just 6. Y is 6 minus 7 is, here I have considered x equal to 3. Okay, 3 3 is 9. This is 3. Okay, so 3 3 is 9. So you write 3 means 1, 2 and 3, and 2 will be towards upward direction. 1, 2. Okay, so these are the 3 points. Now with the help of a ruler you join all these 3 points, and the graph should be passing through all these 3 points exactly. Here in my graph it is not passing here exactly because we are doing it by hand. That's why you use your scale and pencil. Question number 7, another graph. X plus 2y is equal to 8. Here again you write x equal to 8 minus 2y. Always you separate either x or y from here. Now you see, you make a table. Here I have written x and y. 1, 2. Here you consider y is equal to 0. Y. If I put y equal to 0, so 2 into 0 will be 0. 8 minus 0 will be 8. Here you put now y equal to 1. So if we put here 1, 2 into 1 is 2, 8 minus 2 is 6. Then you consider here 2. So 2 to 4, 8 minus 4 is 4. So these are the solution of the equation. Now you draw two axes, x and x dash, and y dash intersect each other at point O. Now you see we have to put 80. 80 means from here you start from this direction 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 0 means not move in any direction. That will be the point. Now 6, 1. You see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 1 means towards upward direction 1 millimeter. Then 4, 2. 4, 2 means 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. Okay. Now you see these are the 3 points. With the help of scale you join all these 3 points and the graph should be passed through all these 3 points. This is the graph of the equation. Next question, last one, number 8. Question is given y equal to 2x plus 1. We have to draw the graph of this equation. So like usual method, you have to draw a table for that. This is the table. Here you write x and y. Here 1, 2, 3. Now you consider x equal to 0. Suppose I am putting here 0. 2 into 0 will be 0 and plus 1 will be 1. Now you put x equal to 1. 2 1 is 2 plus 1 is 3. Here you write 3. Now you put x equal to minus 1. 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. You do the calculation yourself. Now you draw the graph. Suppose these are the two axes, x and x dash, y and y dash. Here you see 0, 1. 0 means this, 1 means here. This is first point. Then 1, 3, 1 means here. 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the second point. Then minus 1, minus 1, minus 1 will be here in this direction, and another minus 1 will be in this direction. So, is it problem? Minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. Here minus 2 I have written, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. And then 3 to the 6 place, it is wrong, no, 2 1 2 plus 1, 3 wrong, no, right. So, minus 1 and minus 1, there is some problem creating here. 0 1 I have written 0 1, 1 3 1 3 1 3 here. So 1 3 here, minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 in this direction and minus 1 in this direction. So if I put it here, then the graph will not pass through the 3 points. Then what is the problem? Y equal to 2x plus 1, x equal to 0 I have written. So 1 is the value of y. If we consider x equal to 1 2 1 2 plus 1 3, 2 into minus 1 is minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. All values are right here. I don't know what is the problem. 1 3 2 okay. Now y1 is okay, everything okay. So let me see again. There is 0 1 is this. 1 3 1 means yes, and 3, oh, I have done wrong. This point is not correct. 1 3 means 1 1 2 3. This is the point. And minus 1 here. This was the point. Now you can join all these 3 points. It will pass all these 3 points. Graph will be passed through all these 3 points. So this is the answer of the last one. I hope you can benefit from here, and if possible, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for the latest update. Thank you very much. Good night.